Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to turn any link into a QR code using your favorite tool Canva in just few seconds. You can use the trick for survey, event check-in or feedback form. So let's go. For doing this, I have taken something from Google Form. For example, I want to share this particular form's link as a QR code with some people. So what I can do, I can actually share the link with them, but instead of that I want to create a QR code for that. So what I will do now, I'll just copy the link. I'll copy the link from here. After that I'll go to Canva, and from here I will just click on create. Then I will create a custom size. For example, I will make it like this, 1080 1080. After that I'll create a design. This is a blank design will open here. From here in the left side you will see the toolbar. From here you can see the option apps. Click on apps and look for QR code generator. And what I will do now, you see lot of QR code generator apps you will see here, but I will choose this one. Click on this QR code, then just paste the link you have copied from the Google form. So I just pasted it and click on generate code. You can see here the QR code has been generated. You can see another thing here, the customize options, like foreground color. Let's say you want to change the color to, for example, red, and you want to change the margin to, for example, 10. Just an example I'm showing. And if you click on update, it will show up like this. So the QR code is there. At the same time you have changed the color. Let me put it to 2 and change the color to black again, and update it. So here is the QR code, and as you know, you can do lot of things, lot of design with Canva. For example, I want to take a text here and I want to write something like scan to fill out the form. I can make it large just to show you that you can do anything you want. So it is up to you, whatever things you want. But let's say you are done with the QR code, and now it is the time for you to download it. So you can just, when you are done, you can just click on the share button. You can download this as PNG, as JPG, as PDF, whatever form you want. So that's it. Like this way you can actually create the QR code from any link. I have just shown you the Google form, but you can create QR code from any link with Canva for free. And that's it. That's how you turn a Google form into a QR code in under a minute using Canva's built-in tool. If it helps, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much.